Hi there, flower enthusiast and nature admirers. Ready for a dose of pure flower joy? We are about to dive into the captivating world of daffodil flowers blooming. Get your gardening gloves ready because we are about to embark on a sunny journey that shall leave you smiling from petal to petal. Number 1. The early bird of spring made the daffodil. Winter's ice grip in finally loosening, and the first sign of spring are popping up. And guess who leading the pack? Our star of show, the daffodil, with their sunny yellow hues and elegant tempest shade blooms. Daffodil bring a instant splash of color to the awakening landscape. Number 2. A show by Mother Nature. Have you ever witnessed daffodil bloom? It's like Mother Nature's own fireworks display. The tightly wrapped bud unfurled to reveal delicate petals, resembling a joyful dance of its own. And that burst of fragrance. Imagine a gentle hug from nature herself. Number 3. The science behind the beauty. Daffodils are not just pretty faces, they are smart cookies too. Their blooming process is a mix of art and science. As the days grow longer and the temperature rise, a chemical reaction within the plant trigger the birds to awaken. It's like their very own alarm clock telling them time to shine. Number 4. Shades of sunshine. Did you know that daffodil come in more shades than a rainbow? While the classic yellow daffodil is a poster child, you can also find them in white, cream, and even peaky pink. It's like a box of carry-ons came alive in your garden. Number 5. Daffodil DIY Planting and Caring. Thinking of adding these cheerful chaps to your garden? Planting daffodil bulbs is a breeze. Just dig a hole, pop in the bulb, cover it up, and voila plus. Daffodil are like the low maintenance friends of the flower world. They are pretty resilient and don't need much fusing hour. Number 6. Daffodils and their fans. Daffodils have quite the fan club, not just among humans, but animals too. Butterflies love sipping nectar from their blooms, and squirrels might give the bulbs a curious sniff or nibble. It's like a little ecosystem party happening in your backyard. Number 7. Blooming symbolism. Did you know daffodils are the harbinger of hope and new beginning? In the many cultures, they are symbol of renewal and fresh starts. So having these blooming beauties around is not just visually pleasing, it's like having a pocket full of positivity. Number 8. Blooms that give back. Daffodils does not just make a smile, they are also making a difference. Many organizations sell daffodils to raise funds and charity, like cancer research. So, by simple enjoying their beauty, you are indirectly spreading kindness too. Number 9. When blooms fade. Like all good things, daffodil blooms eventually come to an end. But fear not, Their leaves continue to soak up and sunlight and nourishment, ensuring they shall be back their sunny smiles next year. It's like the cycle of life in the most colorful way possible. So there you have it, folks, the heartwarming tale of daffodil flowers. Blooming is a story that reminds us to appreciate the simple joys around, from their vibrant colors to their enduring symbolism. Daffodil teach us that life's little blooms are worth celebrating. Now go on and spread some daffodil cheer wherever you go. Did our daffodil journey leave you with a smile as bright as their sunny petals? Don't miss out on more delightful tales from the world of nature and beyond. Subscribe to our newsletter and stay the loop for upcoming video that shall tackle your curiosity and brighten your day. Just like daffodil greet each spring with enthusiasm. We are excited to bring you fresh content that will keep you engaged and inspired. Join our community of nature loves and let's explore the wonders of the world together. Click that subscribe button now and let's adventure continue. Happy gardening.